Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Kaiju Kitty. If you guys like these, definitely let me know because there's a ton of other characters that I can draw from this series. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with our Kaiju Kitty Boomoo, let's begin with the head. So we're going to start right up here, and we're just going to kind of make a nice big kind of oval shape. So I'm going to start here, and we're just going to draw a nice big oval shape that's just going to come right around to here. Now, inside of here, I'm going to make a nice big circle for the mouth. So we're just going to start here, and we're just going to make a nice big circular shape for the mouth of our little Kaiju Kitty. Now, inside the mouth, we're going to make some teeth. So let's make a line that's going to go down and up. And then we're going to make another one that's just going to kind of go down and up, kind of rounded. Then let's make a circular shape in here with a little line for the tongue. Right here for the nose, let's make a little V shape. We're just going to go down and up. And then we'll bring this line across to connect. Now the eyes, we're going to make these kind of like little arrow shapes. So I'm going to begin right here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come in and then back out. And then same thing here. We're going to come in and then back out. Now right here for one of the ears, let's make a line that's going to come up and down with a little point. And then over here we're going to make another one that's going to come up and down, kind of like a rounded point. We'll make a little line inside, and then we'll do one in here, just for the inside of the ears. Now for the spikes, let's begin by making a line that's just going to come up and down. And then we'll make one here that's just going to go up and down, kind of rounded shape too. Now over here, let's make the arm. So let's start right here at the bottom of the head, and we're going to bring this line out. We're going to kind of curve it around and bring it back into here. We're going to make one little claw up here. And then we're going to make 1, 2, and then 3 more over here. Let's bring this line down for the side of the body. Then I'm going to curve this line down. Now for the toes, let's make a little oval shape here. We're going to make one more right next to it, and then a smaller one right here. Then we're going to curl this line up to here, but we don't want to connect it. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down, and we're going to curve around to here for the body. Then I'll make another line that's just going to come down here for the other leg. We'll make an oval for a toe, and then another oval here, and then one more here. Then I'm going to curve this line up. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to curve it around and in. I'll make a bump here for the claw, and then we'll make 1, 2, and then 3 more. Next, for the tail, let's draw a line that's just going to come out, and we'll bring it back around to here. And we can go ahead and put 1, 2, and then 3 little bumps on here. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down here. And then we're going to make a line that's just going to curl down here. And we can go ahead and put 1 and then 2 little lines on here. Now, we're going to make a couple little buildings on here. So I'm going to make a little building right here by the legs. So I'm just going to kind of come up and over. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then bring it over to here. I'm going to make another building right here. We'll make it a little shorter. We're just going to make a little square. So we're going to go over, down, and then we'll just connect it. I'm going to make this building kind of come down a little bit, and then we'll just go straight down. Do the same thing here, kind of come down, and we'll go straight down and over. We're going to make a little bit of fire on here too. So let's just make a couple little wavy lines. They're just going to kind of curve up and down. We'll make another little set of flames right here. We're going to give this little building a face. So let's just color in a little dot here. And we'll color in one here. And we'll make a little smile. We'll do that same thing here. Color in a little dot. Color in a dot, and then we'll make a little smile. Then I'm just going to make some little kind of like half a rectangle, half square shapes for like some windows. So I'm just going to put a couple of these on all of the buildings here, just to give a little bit of detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of Boomoo, the Kaiju Kitty. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.